It is a piece of legislation that is highly controversial, Iowa's fetal heartbeat law.
I believe that all innocent life is precious and sacred, and as governor, I have pledged to do everything in my power to protect it.
Signed by Governor Kim Reynolds nearly 4 months ago, it blocks a woman's right to seek an abortion after a fetal heartbeat is detected, which is typically about 6 weeks after conception. The law is considered the most restrictive piece of abortion legislation in the country, but it still has not taken effect in the state. That follows a legal challenge filed just days after the bill was signed into law.
That injunction will no doubt be put in place later today.
The new law sits at the center of a lawsuit filed by Planned Parenthood, the American Civil Liberties Union of Iowa, and the Emma Goldman Clinic in Iowa City. And ever since a district court judge put it on hold in June, its fate has remained up in the air. Today, an Iowa state senator and candidate for lieutenant governor is in our area discussing what changes she wants to make to women's health care in the state. KIMT News 3's Brian Tabak shares what Rita Hart would like to see done.
There are just what seem like really egregious things that occur. Denying one claim for one reason, but then denying another for the total opposite reason.
State Senator Rita Hart is learning about accessibility challenges that women face today from local health care providers. That comes after the passing of the fetal heartbeat bill, which Hart says restricts women from receiving the care that they need. Those at Mercy Medical Center North Iowa also spoke about patients being turned away because of the privatization of Medicaid, saying the state needs to broaden its coverage so people don't fall through the cracks.
We know that the privatization of Medicaid has negatively affected women's ability to get health care. We know that the recent efforts to curb women's accessibility to health care is not good for the state of Iowa.
A rising number of those suffering with mental health issues and a lack of places for them to receive care. Coming up at 6, we'll hear from Senator Hart about the mental health issues facing the state. In Mason City, Brian Tabak, KIMT News 3.
Senator Hart will also be making a stop in DeWitt today to discuss the state's water quality issues.